Hello YouTube. So in this video I'm going to be covering some of the trades that I took last week. So I shared them on Discord. The link will be in the description box below if you want to join the Discord, and I can share with you the trades that I'm taking also, like you can see. So let me review. The first trade was on the August 5th. So August 5th I bought gold at 24. No, this was the take profit, but I bought gold at 5:47 p.m. So let me check here. So 5:47. So 47, I think it's here. Yeah, here, this is the part I bought the gold. So this was the candle. So 54, this was the point. And then the take profit I set it at 24.04. So it was 24.04. So this was the take profits. I think I targeted this order block, and then I don't use order block to trade, but I was just targeting this zone. So this zone, you can see it entered. This was the red zone in this indicator. So this is where I was targeting, and the stop loss was at 23.87. So 23.87 is somewhere here, don't know. Yeah, so this was where the stop loss was at. Here you can see below these lows. So this was where I entered, so I got out at here. So you can see even the market structure here, like price broke this high. It was in this short-term trend from here to here, then it started the upward rise. So let me open my highlighter. So you can see price here was in this downward trend. Don't think this is too, let me try something slimmer. So you can see price was in this downward trend, and then it's shifted here and broke this high. There was this high, so there was this high here, and there was this high here. So I don't know if you can see this color, or let me pick another color. Let me use black. So there was this high here and there was this high here. So when these two highs broke, this one and this one, I knew we were going up for an uptrend, and also like we were in this buy zone in this setup. So I had several confirmation, and also you can see like in this TDI, you can see there was a crossover here. I think it was here. So I knew there was a high probability we can go up, because the 13 and there was above the this whatever. So that was the first trade of the week. I think the second one was on, let me turn this to where it was. So the second one was in the 6th of August. So the 6th of August I took no trade. I think price was ranging. That was what I said, as you can see. No, it was at this moment here. So I didn't take any. I think it was here in this zone. So I usually trade during New York gold only. I trade New York, but I also trade my other pair trade. I think I trade GBP/USD and Euro USD, but I trade gold on New York session. So you can see here the price was ranging, so I never took a trade on that day. Then on the 7th August, okay, the 7th August, where was it? Let me delete this line. So on the 7th of August I bought gold at 518. So let me search for 518. So it's somewhere here. So here you can see I bought gold at 518. So this was 515. So I bought this gold here. My stop loss I think was here. I don't know where it was. Let me check. At 23.97. So my stop loss was at 23.97. Let me use a pen on this case here. 23.97. That was it. I think I've picked the wrong marker. Can I see the 7? Yeah, 23.97. Yeah, so my stop loss was here on this low. I thought this low was going to hold and become like some sort of support. I was targeting this level up here. There was this bounce on the 50 EMA. this 50 range. So it was bouncing, rejecting. You can see there was this rejection here on the 50 and this on the 50, then price review. So there's no 100 proof winning strategy, so all you have to do is manage your risk. Any strategy is a good strategy if the strategy has an edge, so ensure you backtest your strategy once you have it. So this was a loss. This was the first loss of the week. Then the second one was on the 8th of August. I bought gold at 429, so that was New York. I'm using my time session. So on the 8th, let me pick a pen. Now let me use this first. Let me use this first to identify the time. So at 4, where was it? At 429, 429. So for yeah, here. So this is the part I bought this gold at. So you can see the confluences. It broke this high. There was a bounce on this 50. We were the bounce on the 50 on the TDI. If you watch the video on how to use this river strategy, you can understand like how I use it for confirmation. It's not like a holy grail. It moves at times, it repaints, but it helps me like in giving me confidence on my setups. So you can see this high was broken, and then I entered at this zone here, this candle. I think it was this candle here, this one, and then the stop loss I think was at below this low, because I thought this support could hold for the trade, and it held the trade. So the take profit, let me check where the take profit was at. So you can see the take profit was at 24.15. so if you check, 24.15 was in this high, so I targeted this high here. There was this high. Let me clear this out. There was this high. This is what I targeted, and if you can check the result, you can see this 24.15 here. So I exited here and it was a win. So this was the third trade and the second win for the last week. Then the final trade of the week was on August 9th. There was a opportunity for buying gold at 4:59, so it's like 5 p.m. on my wire on MT5 this thing. So 5, what is this, 5 on the 9th. So here, so you can see the confluences I had at that moment. You can see the bounce here on the TDI and the crossover here, and then price like it was moving. I saw like this candle, so I entered like here because I saw the like price was rejecting this support at a very high strength. So I bought it here, and I think my TP was here, my stop loss was here. So let me check, let me confirm it. You can see the high at 24.33. so yeah, 24.33 was the take profit, and the stop loss as 24.21. I was hoping for this support to hold, and it did. So that was the final trade of the week. And yeah, those were the setups I took last week, and so I won 3 and lost 1. And so far this week I had a trade. I took a buy on gold, and currently I'm in a buy on gold too. So I've sent out this trade at 554, 548, 42. So you can see this is the setup. This is the trade that I've taken today. So I hope it hits take profit. So I don't know. So I took it at 542, I guess. So this is 5. Yeah, I was in this candle, so I saw this rejection. I saw this rejection of the 50 and the 50 inside this river strategy. So I saw this rejection here, and also saw this candle give me a bigger confirmation. Then you can see the TDI was above the 50 level. So you can see I'm hoping the targets I think are at this high. I'm hoping price takes out this high, and my stop loss is this. This is my stop loss. I hope it supports the support that is here, supports the trade. So in the next next week reviews on this week's setups, you will see how the trade panned out, or you can, if you see this, you will know the results. So that was all I took last week, and I hope you have learned something from the review that I've just done. So if you're new to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Also, you can join my community where I sent out this Discord thing, so you can join it by clicking on this. So you can join it by clicking. There are 4 links here on the about of the page, or even in the description. So you can see there's a Patreon. Head over to Patreon and you'll be able to join this community, and also you can interact with other traders inside the community. So I'm building up this. I'll be sharing all my trades I take the whole week. So that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and share it with your friends. So thank you for watching.